question, we need to find the three different angles. Given is angle AOC is given, and another important part is triangle ABC in an isosceles triangle. It's mentioned. Let's highlight it or underline it. Okay, isosceles triangle. Angle AOC is 130 degrees. Okay, 2 times of 65 is there written. Angle AOC is twice of angle ABC. Reason is angle subtended at center is twice angle at any point on circumference. You have to write that statement. Okay, another first part is done. That is wait a minute. So it will be 65 degree. Now we need to find the value of angle BAC. See, triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. So equal side opposite angle are equal. So this will be also 65 degree. So angle BAC will be equal to sum of all angle triangle is 180 degree. 180 minus 130 is equal to angle BAC, that is 50 degree. Okay, third, let's mention this also 50 degree. Third, we need to find the value of angle BCQ. BCQ is also equal to 50 degree. Reason is angle in alternate segment. Angles in alternate segment.